If you don't know how to use stickers, watch this video. First, take your favorite sticker and place it on the left side of the journal. Draw a frame and cut off the blank area on the right side with a craft knife. Repeat on the second page. Stick a sticker, draw a frame, and cut off the right blank part. On the third page, stick another sticker and draw a frame. Stick 2 stickers on the left side, draw frames sequentially, and decorate each frame with text tape. Place a character sticker on the left side. On the back side of the first page, stick the same sticker as the left side and draw a frame. On the right side, stick a character sticker, draw a border, and decorate the inner edge with small flower and text tapes. On the third page, stick a character on the left, draw a frame, and decorate with text and flower tapes. Finally, stick flower and character tape on the left and draw a frame. Second, draw 4 lines in 2 adjacent pairs, then use a marker to draw equally spaced lines between each pair. Cut off the right blank part, then draw 2 lines to form 3 independent spaces. Repeat the lines on the second page. Stick Leisurely Days stickers inside each border and tear off excess. Decorate the inner edge of each border with flower tape. Stick character and flower tapes on the left side of the journal. Then draw lines around the edges with a marker of each page. And finally, decorate the blank areas of each page with text tape. Which one do you prefer?